warned about a windstorm about 3 days ago, and it's supposed to be coming through at 5 o'clock, and sure enough it did. I'm getting some wind, but unfortunately it's coming through with a lot of smoke. There's a smoke in the gorge, the Columbia Gorge, and that's where the wind's coming down. What do you say, boy? What, Columbia Gorge? It's starting to gust now. There we go. So the wind's actually coming from, what should be coming from that direction, because that is the gorge. I can't believe the smell, man. It smells like brush fire or something, which it is out in Troutfield. So as you can see, all the power went out. Our house doesn't have power. The house in front of us doesn't have power. Looking for a regatta on the water. Alright, that's one of the results of this wild windstorm here. The limbs broke off that tree. Okay, this is the top of that tree. It's obviously some kind of pine. A nice shot of it there. Looks like other branches have broke off in the past too. But you just saw that. Blow, wind, blow.